morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you and your families are safe and healthy. Welcome to the launch of the new BMW 3 Series Gran Limousine in India, a brand new addition to the BMW 3 Series family. In the year 2020, BMW Group India demonstrated resilience and determination in an environment full of challenges. The strength of our brand, well-structured operations, along with the dedication of employees and dealer partners, drove the business to adapt quickly and perform. With improving macroeconomic indicators and consumer confidence, BMW Group India picked up momentum and registered strong results with an increased segment share in the Indian luxury car market. We are looking towards 2021 with renewed confidence and optimism. We believe all our customers are different and have different expectations from their vehicles. That is why evolving customer needs are right at the center of our future-oriented strategies. At BMW, we have always answered those needs with innovative products and services. After initiating new consumers into new segments, we are now ready to bring another novel addition to our product lineup. The BMW 3 Series is the soul of the BMW brand. It has won over millions of consumers across the world. And here in India too, it is one of the most popular and best-selling BMW models right from the start. And recently, in August 2019, we launched the all-new BMW 3 Series sedan in India. And today, BMW India is set to launch the BMW 3 Series Gran Limousine, a car that is specifically built for India and locally produced at the BMW plant Chennai exclusively for the Indian market. I'm happy to say India is the only market to launch the right-hand drive version of this model. And the only other country that produces this car is China in the left-hand drive version. So you can see, as BMW India, we're committed to the Indian customers in making sure that we are providing a tailored and specifically made vehicle for the Indian consumers. The BMW 3 Series Gran Limousine is a thrilling new addition to the BMW 3 Series family. It is the long wheelbase variant of the highly successful BMW 3 Series. It takes on the new, elegantly sporty and emotionally rich design of the 3 Series sedan. But more importantly, it strategically gives the power of choice to you, our customers. And it takes the position of the most spacious and comfortable car in its segment. This is going to set a new benchmark in its class. And once again, BMW India has pioneered a segment first in the Indian luxury car market. The ultimate sports sedan will now set the ultimate standard in luxury in a new form. The new BMW 3 Series Gran Limousine has a unique and captivating character. It offers sportiness, comfort, and innovations exclusively for the Indian market. It has a grand appearance with 110mm longer wheelbase, which stretches sedan inside view and provides more elegant appearance. There is more room to unwind. Thanks to the extended wheelbase, this car offers more legroom for rear passengers, and long rear door provides even more comfortable access. It offers luxurious ambience and pleasant seating experience even on long journeys. The 3 Series Gran Limousine delivers sheer driving pleasure and indulges in superlative luxury. It is built for you, the modern luxury consumers who are always in the proactive pursuit of a well-balanced excellence. Those who want it all from their car. Customers who enjoy a thrilling dynamic drive every time they get behind the wheel, but also know what it takes to take a pause at the back and relax in the rear. And that too, relax in the world-class rear cabin of the Gran Limousine, a cabin that exudes luxury in every inch. It is a perfect choice for individuals as well as the family, as it can do and don both the roles. It's a fun-to-drive passenger vehicle and also a well-rounded luxury saloon for the family. So it's time now to welcome the new BMW 3 Series Gran Limousine, what we call the grand side of thrill. 3 Series Gran Limousine will be the longest and most spacious car in its segment. It spells absolute luxury for all passengers. It blends the thrill of driving and the outstanding comfort of an extremely spacious sedan. The grandeur rises many notches higher thanks to the modern design with a larger, elongated body and a bigger rear door. The powerful engine ensures best-in-segment performance and acceleration, and the long list of indulgences features adds to its special appeal. Looking at the design, the Gran Limousine blends the new design and sporting aura of the three with the distinctive proportions. The exterior dimensions outstrip those of any other car in its class. The car boasts extra 110mm wheelbase, increasing seating comfort and the legroom. On the exterior, the large BMW kidney grille and the LED headlights with extended features create the striking front look. Sportiness is embodied by short overhangs, long bonnet, and a set-back passenger compartment. The stretched silhouette underscores its inherent elegance and hints at the enviable spaciousness of this car. The rear features slim, three-dimensional L-shaped LED lights with two large freeform tailpipes. When we look at the interior is designed to accentuate grand cabin spaciousness. The rear doors are 110mm longer than those of the 3 Series sedan. This design allows 43mm extra legroom in the rear compartment. The comfort-oriented character is highlighted through improved padding and pampering Vanesca leather upholstery of the rear seats, the newly designed headrest, and the central armrest between the rear seats. The automatic tailgate function operation and the comfort access increases access convenience. The welcome light carpet, illuminated door sills welcome passengers in a glamorous style. And filling up the cabin with a sense of spaciousness is the large panorama sunroof. The ambient lighting creates an atmosphere for every mood. And in a model-specific feature, it also has an illuminated contour strip on the back of the front seats. The 3-zone climate control system with active carbon filters optimizes interior air quality, and the car ensures and features a Harman Kardon sound system with 16 loudspeakers. Optimizing acoustic properties make the journey even more peaceful for every occupant in the car. Now to the engine, the source of the thrills. The 2-liter, 4-cylinder BMW twin-power turbo engines are the most powerful in its category. They offer great performance, acceleration, and spontaneous responsiveness. The petrol engine gives an output of 258 horsepower and accelerates from 0 to 100 in just 6.2 seconds. And the diesel engine will give an output of 190 horsepower and acceleration of 0 to 100 in just 7.6 seconds. The 8-speed Steptronic Sports automatic transmission performs smooth, imperceptible gear shifts. The driving experience control enables different driving modes to suit the driving conditions. Using launch control, drivers can get maximum acceleration and optimize traction from the standstill. Not only that, in terms of key features, the BMW Connected Drive technologies continue to break the innovation barrier with BMW Live Cockpit Professional, the virtual assistant, wireless charging, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, parking assistant, and reversing assist. This car offers numerous technologies that ensures superior safety for all occupants. We are proud that the new BMW 3 Series Gran Limousine is being locally produced in India. And from today, the car is available both in petrol and diesel variants across all dealerships in India. The 3 Series Gran Limousine is available in one diesel variant, the BMW 320 LD luxury line, and two petrol variants, the BMW 330 Li luxury line and BMW 330 Li M Sport First Edition. The car has two attractive design schemes. Luxury line, which indulges movement in style and endures exit limit. The M Sport First Edition, which bestows a masculine character and evokes the racing spirit. The first edition is exclusively available for the launch period only. The additional features of the M Sport First Edition are the BMW heads-up display, the BMW gesture control, comfort access, and 360 surround view cameras. And now, let's come to the pricing. The ex-showroom prices of the 3 Series Gran Limousine are: the 330 Li luxury line is priced at 51,50,000 rupees. The 320 LD luxury line is priced at 52,50,000 rupees. And 330 Li M Sport First Edition is priced at 53,90,000 rupees. Please note, these prices are introductory prices for a limited time only. And thanks to our friends in BMW India Financial Services, customized and flexible financial solutions can be designed as per your individual requirements. The BMW 360-degree offers exclusive financial packages with great value and absolute peace of mind. You can enjoy a hassle-free ownership experience with a low monthly repayment of only 59,999 rupees with an assured buyback and flexible end-of-term options. Also, exclusive interest rate will be applicable for a limited period from the financial services team. You can also choose a Service Inclusive and Service Inclusive Plus package to reduce your cost of ownership. They cover both conditional-based servicing and maintenance work according to duration and mileage of your car. The packages range from 3 years, 40,000 kilometers to 10 years, 200,000 kilometers. The Service Inclusive packages start for petrol variants from 39,530 rupees and for diesel variants from 56,522 rupees. These packages can be extended during the runtime by just paying the differential amount. Also, the Repair Inclusive packages extend warranty benefits beyond the 3rd year of operation, maximum up to the 6th year. The Repair Inclusive for 3 years unlimited mileage will cost for both petrol and diesel variants 32,804 rupees. With this, effectively means that the car regular service cost will be as low as 1 rupee per kilometer for a petrol and 1 rupee 50 paisa per kilometer for a diesel car. In a nutshell, the new BMW 3 Series Gran Limousine serves all ingredients in one, with typical BMW performance. It is the ultimate sports sedan for the driver with the unmatched luxury for its passengers. The largest in its segment, it has an elongated, dynamic silhouette and a majestic presence. It offers superlative luxury, enhanced space, rear seat comfort, and rich interiors. Most of all, it provides thrilling performance in a typical BMW driving dynamics and unbounded power. Now we invite you to experience the grand side of thrill. Thank you for joining today. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the showrooms.